Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up Samsung TV for screen mirroring. Let's go. Open Settings. All settings. General. Network. Open Network Settings. Wireless. Select your network. Enter password. Your TV and your phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. For Android phone, enable screen mirroring on your phone. Select your TV. Done. For Apple device, iMac, MacBook, iPhone or iPad, open Apple AirPlay settings. Turn on AirPlay. Connect your device to the same network as the TV. Open screen mirroring. Select your Samsung TV. Now the screen of your device will be streamed to your Samsung TV. That's it. Now you know how to set up Samsung TV for screen mirroring. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.